Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. As you know that we are revising our first one chapter and its name is Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow. And we are revising its exercise from workbook. This is page number 2 and the A heading is nouns. Students, as you know that noun is the name of thing, place, person or idea. If we talk about the things like car, bus, these are called common noun, and if we talk about any special person, place or thing, that is called proper noun. The first one statement is put 6 nouns in each list in alphabetical order and also write the group name. First find the verb and cross it out. First of all, you here some groups of words are given. There is one verb in each list and you have to find out that verb and you have to cross it out and you have to arrange that alphabetic order like according to A, B, C, D. And then write down the name of that group. For example, here some pictures are given. As you are looking that some balls are there. This is a doll, this is a toy train, and these are very little cars. So you can easily identify that all these are toys. So the group name will be toys. Same is the case with these lists. You have to arrange these lists in alphabetical order and then you have to find out the group name. So look here students, here are the names of different things are given, like the first one is lily, rose, geranium, lotus, jump, poppy, violet. As you know that these all are the names of flowers. We will write down the group name flowers here and you can look easily that nouns are the names of things. So all these are the flowers. But jump is a doing word. Jump mean chalang lagana. So this is not a noun, it is a verb. First of all, you have to cross it out and I have also highlighted these words which are verb here so that you can clearly look at that words. Then we have to list all that words in alphabetical way. You can look here that all the words which are present here, we will start from the geranium, then comes lily, then comes lotus. You are looking here that lily and lotus both are starting with L, but if 2 or 3 words are starting with the same letter, then we have to look at the next one letter to write it out in alphabetical order. So the first one letter of both these words are L, but here the second one letter is I, and in lotus the second one letter is O. So I comes before O, so we will write down lily first and then lotus. Then comes the turn of poppy. It is starting with P, then rose, it is starting with R. At the end we will write down violet. So here this group name is given here already. The group name is flowers because all these words are the name of different flowers. Now look here, it's B part. The first one is cod. It is the name of a kind of fish. Trout is also a fish, but trot is a verb. Mahseer is also a kind of fish. Kipper is also a kind of fish. Carp and perch are also kind of fish. So we will write down the group name fish or fishes. As you know that the plural of fish is also fish, but if there are different kinds of fish, we can call them fishes. So the first one we will write down in alphabetic order will be carp because it is starting with C. Another fish name is starting with C, but we have, if both words are starting with the same letter, we have to look at the second one. So the second one here, look here that carp is starting with A and cord, the second letter of cord is O. So we will write down carp first and then cord. Then comes keeper, Kipper, keeper. Then comes the turn of perch. Then mahseer, and at the end we will write down trout. Now look at C part. You can find out that what a type of things are given here. The first one is chisel, then saw mean ari. Went is a verb here, so you have to cut it out because went mean jana. Hammer, 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 hathoda. Then plane is also a tool, file and drill. All these are different tools. Especially these tools are used by a carpenter. So we will write down the group name tools, and we have to write down these words in alphabetical order. So the first one, chisel, is starting with C. So we will write down first chisel. Then comes the turn of drill, then file, hammer, plane, and at the end we will write down saw. Look at the D part. The first one is shirt, trousers, vest, socks, shorts, tie, roll. Roll is a verb, so we'll cut it out. And all these are different clothes, so the group name will be clothes. Now we will arrange that words in alphabetical order. Shirts and short both are starting with SH. So we will look at the third one letter. So I comes before O, so we will write down shirt first, then shorts. Then comes the turn of socks because after S there is O and it comes after H. Then tie and trousers. Same thing we will apply as we have applied in shirt and shorts. Then comes the turn of vest. Now look at E part. Here a list of different type of furniture is given. The first one is table, then chair, sofa, settee, drop, stool, bureau. Drop is a word which is used as verb. So we will cut it out and we will arrange that words in alphabetical order. And we will write down the group name furniture in this column. So the first one word we will write down will be bureau because it comes first. Then we will write down chair, settee and sofa, and then come the turn of stool. We can look here that these three words are starting with S, but the second one letter of settee is E, and then sofa's second one letter of sofa is O, and the second one letter of stool is T. So we will arrange these three words by looking at the second letter of these words. So settee comes first, then sofa, then stool, and at the end we will write down table because it is starting with T, that comes after S. Now look at F part. The first one is paper, then envelope, ruler, punch, hit, rubber, pad. You can easily identify that all these words are the names of stationery, but the hit is a verb here. So you will cut down hit and then arrange that words in alphabetical order. So the first one word you will write will be envelope, then comes the turn of pad, then paper, punch, rubber and ruler. You will look at these words that as I have told you earlier, that you will, if the first one letter is the same, then you will look at the second one letter. If second is also same, then you will look at the third one letter. So this will be the arrangement of these words, and the group name you will use for these things will be stationery. I think so. This part is quite clear. Now we move towards the next one page. Look here students at the page number 3, the B heading, it's articles. Articles, as you know that there are 3 articles in English, a, an, and the. We use an article in front of a noun. As some nouns are given here, this is a shape. We are writing here a shape. Apple is starting with vowels. So, which words are starting with vowel letters? We will write down an before them, and we will write down the before word. First of all, I will give you some description about articles. That what are these articles are. Articles are of two kinds, the definite article and indefinite article. A and N are indefinite articles. A is used before the words that begin with consonant sounds like a book, a computer, a table. Here an example of ship is given here. So N is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. So here an example of apple is given, egg, an ink pot, an owl. You will write down an before the words which are starting with vowel. The is called indefinite article. So it is used with either singular or plural noun. It is used to refer a particular person or thing before a singular countable noun that is used to represent a whole class. So and before proper nouns, some proper nouns, we also use the article the. The first one statement is given for you. Give examples of your own for the articles a, an, and the. So students, you have to write down your own examples starting with consonants, and you have to write down a before that. Then you can write down some examples which are starting with vowel sounds, and then you have to write down some examples before which you can write down the article the. I have prepared some examples for you. You also can take a look of that. The first one is a man, a bird, a table, a circle. As you are observing that all these words are starting with consonant, so you have to write down a before that. The next one, B part, is an owl, an orange, an ear, an ant. As you are observing that all these words are starting with vowels, so we have to write down an before them. Now see, here are some examples which are starting. Here are some examples using the article the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Quran, the sun. These all are the names of proper things, so you have to write down the before that words. Now look here students, its second part. Write a or an before these nouns. As you have learnt that where you have to write down a and where you have to write down an, so you can easily fill these blanks. Look here, man is starting with consonant, so we will write down a before that. A man, an orange, an axe, because these two words are starting with vowels. A tree. The world. World is a proper noun, so we will write down the article before word. A large ear. Here an adjective is given before ear, so we will write down a because large is starting with L, that is a consonant. But if only ear is given, then we will write down an ear. Now students, we move towards the next one page. This is page number 4, and the third part and its statement is write a, an, or the where they are necessary in the following. So you have to write down these articles in these blanks. The A part. In dash Atlantic Ocean. This is the name of the ocean, and we write down the article before the names of oceans, so we will write down the. In the Atlantic Ocean there are many fish. Here no need of article, so we will write down cross here. B part. One day dash ostrich ran into our garden. Ostrich is starting with vowel, so we will write down an. One day an ostrich ran into our garden. It stayed in dash garden. As we come to know the name of the garden in the previous line, so we will write down the article because we know that garden, that is a particular garden. So the article will be used here. For a week. It stayed in the garden for a week. C part. Hira is dash good dancer. Hira is a good dancer. She is the best dancer in the school. Now look at D part. Mount Everest is dash very high mountain. Mount Everest is a very high mountain. It is dash highest mountain in dash world. It is the highest mountain in the world because we know the quality of this mountain, Mount Everest. So we will write down the article in the remaining blanks. Now look at E part. Last week I went to see dash doctor. Last week I went to see the doctor. If I assume that there is a particular doctor, so we will write down the article over there. Now look at F part. Please pass the sugar, Raheel. I think so this is quite clear to you, and you have to do your homework on your book and you have to learn it quite vigilantly. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.